Do you think the market has priced in the Bank of Japan interest rate rise, or will the market crash the second they actually announce it? What is your prediction for how this plays out for XRP by end of Friday? Well, markets are normally forward-facing. They normally price in the next 6 months. And they're always forward-looking. So here in the US, when we come out and we say that we're raising interest rates or lowering interest rates, it gets priced in fairly quickly. Japan has been a little different. So Japan came out and said that they were raising interest rates. Both times they raised interest rates in 2024, in early 24 before August. It still affected the market. After they did it, it took a little bit and then it fell off a cliff. And people, because the bond yields kept rising. So if you want to go look at something, I always look at the JPY, the 10-year. When it gets back over 2, we're already in the danger zone. They're already pinned with their back against the wall. If that continues to run rapidly, they're really just trying to play catch up with the interest rates rising. So for those who don't know what bonds are, like, they're trying to guess what the bond yield is going to be that far out of the term of the bond. Okay, so then 10 years, they think that the Japanese bonds are going to be 2%. Very reasonable, because they're 50 basis points now. That means over the next decade, they're going to raise another 1.5%. I think it's going to be much higher than that. I think that Japan could likely get back to 5 or 6% interest rates in 10 years. Now, anyway, so if they raise 25 basis points, I think it'll be more of a trickle. It's not going to be a flood. If they move 50 or 75 basis points, it's gangbusters. Like, the reverse carry trade unwinds right then. I think they could push it. I think they could push it over the weekend. So, might be a happy Monday. 21st might be a happy Monday. Is that the winter solstice? No, it's 22nd. 22nd. Sunday is the winter solstice. So, right before Christmas, and just coincidentally, I don't want to mention this, Friday will be 5 years since Brad Garlinghouse posted on Twitter that the SEC was going to sue Ripple. Sunday will be 5 years since that lawsuit actually was filed by Jay Clayton on his last day in office before he bounced in 2020.